Hi, in this video we'll see how to programmatically check the version of the Python interpreter you're using, the absolute path to the executable binary of the Python interpreter, and the platform on which Python is running. We'll need the SYS module, so let's import it. Import SYS. Now we can use the version static object to retrieve the version of the interpreter as a string. SYS version. And here is our version, 370. We can also use the version info static object to get version information as a named tuple. So SYS version info. Here we have the major, minor, micro, release level, and serial. If we want, we can also check any particular element of the version, like the major version, the minor version, etc. For example, SYS version info major, and the major version is 3. We use the static object executable to check the absolute path of the executable binary of the Python interpreter. So SYS executable, and here's our path. So the executable binary of our Python interpreter can be found in this location. And finally, here's how we can check the platform on which Python is running. SYS.platform Windows. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.